welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join us. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. It does help me out, and leave a comment. I love talking with you guys. As you can see, we have a new subscription. I'm really excited to see what this is all about. It is Club SciKids. And I am going to tell you a little bit about this subscription. It is for kids aged 7 to 10. And it is, let's see. It says, they are through Cratejoy. They did very kindly send this to me for review and to share with you guys, so I am super excited. It is Science and Technology Enrichment. Give the gift of science. Give your young scientist moments of wonder and surprise through the gift of science. Each box contains a variety of career-based activities such as veterinary medicine, robotics, astronomy, geology, paleontology, etc. In addition, your scientist will be able to start their own home lab with the supplies provided. And it says challenging science and technology experiments, creative engineering projects, exclusive interactive lab notebook, science supplies to build a home lab, and a little science fiction and science surprise each month. And this is $29.95 a month. You can use the code CYBER18 to get 15% off. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. We're going to dive in here and see what it is all about. And yeah, I just thought this was something Christopher would really enjoy. Like I said, this is for kids, I believe, age 7 to 10. So we are going to get our box cutter and open it and see what it is about. So this is what it looks like when we open it. And let's see. We have some paper here on top. Okay, this tells us what is in the box. And then whoop. Okay, so this has got some, oh, this is neat. Okay. Oh, this must be the theme for this month. Fun with fossils, because it says Fun with Fossils Activity Guide. That's going to be awesome. And then it has like vocabulary in here. This is awesome, you guys. And then experiment 1, experiment 2. And then just different. This is interesting. It's got quite a few different things in here. That's awesome. Okay. And then it has, this is neat. Gemstone and Fossil Mining Identification Guide. So it has all of this in here. And then fossils. That's awesome. Says, what is in the box? Great science begins here. Explore, think, create, discover. Fun with fossils. This month's activities explore fossils and how they'll form. You'll unearth a trilobite and identify fossils. Engage and enlighten with our nature project as you become a paleontologist and discover a dinosaur skeleton. Experiment with your cork launcher and use our engineering and technology activity. Discover 20 micro experiments and observations in the activity guide. Add a couple of secret formulas and your own ingredients to create a fossil cast and make sedimentary rock. Read about a scientist who will inspire you. Enjoy and learn from this month's science quotes and riddles. Add a splash of science fiction with a look at dinosaur and fossil fun versus fact. Don't forget to look for the science surprise. And then it says the young scientist source for fascinating experiments, projects, and activities. That is awesome, you guys. All right. So with the paper off, lots of blue squiggly. So we're going to see what all is actually in the box. there definitely must be like some sand or something in here, because like this bag has some stuff on it. I'm assuming, because I read about a cork launcher, this must be what will be needed to do that. So that is fun. What are you? Yeah, there's something in here. This says excavate and collect your own mini dinosaur, glow in the dark. That'll be interesting. Yeah, so the light's not glaring. What is this? Dig site fossil material. Okay, so this looks like squigglies are sticking to it. So this is a bag. Inside, I can clearly see there is sand inside a bag, so I'm guessing there must be maybe some things inside the sand that you can search for. And obviously the little brush to do that. Let's see. Oh, okay. We have a little dinosaur. I can't. I'm having a hard time with that word tonight. A dinosaur skeleton here. Y'all, okay. This, I can clearly tell, is like, you remember back in the day, the candy necklaces? That's what it is, but then it has like a little like fossil tooth or something here. So that's neat. That's fun to have in there. And then this says fossil find. Looks like it has a little toothbrush. Okay, so this must be where like Christopher can take this toothbrush and just scrape away until he realizes what fossil this is. That's really cool. And then this is it says fossil, but it tells a little bit about it, so he can learn about this little fossil right here. And then what do we have here? This is a little book. Dig into fossils, a guide for collectors. What are fossils? How are they formed? How are they identified? And then inside it just different little things. It tells all about stuff, so that's nice to have. And there's still stuff in here. This is what, okay. There is a bag of plaster of Paris in here. So that, I think, is what has created this little dust action that we have going on. And then we have this. I'm not exactly sure what this is for. Probably more details in the little booklet. And that is everything in here. So, I mean, this is like really awesome. I mean, he can do this little fossil find activity, his little skeleton, this fossil that he can learn about, the little book, and then the excavate your own little glow in the dark dinosaur. And then this is like, I could probably dump this out and he can search for fossils and things, and this little launcher that he can build, and then the little fossil candy necklace. So I mean, it actually does have quite a bit of things in there. And then, like I said, you know, it has here the different activity guides that go and have things that, like, it'll probably explain how he can use the plaster of Paris to do something. So that is really awesome. So I think this is really fun. I mean, if you have a a child that, you know, is into science and technology, then this subscription is certainly for them. Again, this is the Club SciKidz. I will leave all the information down below for you guys. And like I said, there is that code CYBER18 to get you 15% off. So I think this would be really awesome for kids, you know, make it fun and learning, and who's not for helping their child to learn. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk with you guys soon. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.